In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to set Gravatar, step by step. So let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Users and select Profile. Here scroll to Profile Picture, then click on You can change your profile picture on Gravatar. So now the Gravatar page will open. Here click on Create Your Own Gravatar button. For this you need to sign up here. Back on Gravatar page, here we have examples, plugins and code link. On top, we have what is Gravatar? How to use Gravatar? Help. So again click on this Create Your Own Gravatar button. Here you need to enter your email address, username and password, then click on Create Your Account button. After that, they'll send you a confirmation email. Now go to your email account and open the activation email, then click on Activate Account button inside. Now go to WordPress.com and here log into your account. Enter your email and password and log in. Once done, here go to your profile icon and here select this click to change photo. Then select the file from your computer. You can rotate it and flip the photo as per your liking. Then click on Change My Photo. So now your photo has been successfully updated. Then you can customize its settings. Select this Hide My Gravatar Profile. This will prevent your Gravatar profile and photo from appearing on any site. Also your Gravatar profile can be deleted at gravatar.com. So this is how you can set Gravatar. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.